Hello friends, welcome to the last class of this course. In this video, we are going to have the course overview. In this course, we have learned how to create a magical video content with VideoScribe. Then, we have understood the basics of VideoScribe. We have learned about creating a new project, how to change the paper texture and color of the canvas. Later we have seen selection of images from your own photo gallery or from hundreds and thousands of images from VideoScribe photo library. They keep on updating that photo library. Then we have seen how to add text to the canvas, inserting charts to the canvas. We can insert line diagram, bar diagram, or we can insert charts. Here I have shown the pie diagram. We have learned how to use or change a music track for our VideoScribe. Then we have seen how we can add or change a voiceover for our VideoScribe. Then many a times we require a different hand base to emphasize on different activities. For kids, we need some flamboyant kind of a hand. For adults, it is not very important. But if we are targeting, then we need to change the hand base. So we have seen how to apply different hand bases or how to apply your own hand base in making VideoScribe videos. Later we have seen editing of the scribe, which plays a very important role. Then previewing of your VideoScribe. Once you have previewed, you are satisfied, okay, that I have made the video up to my expectations. And finally we have seen how to publish your video on social media network and get a chance to reach to millions of people online. So once again, I thank all of you for purchasing this course and I wish you the best in your learning and business. This is Dr. Mo signing off.